That's right. I designed and 3D printed this apple-shaped notebook cover. Every time I see those perfectly neat, super boring sketchbooks, I just don't feel like writing at all. It's like my inspiration gets quietly eaten by them. So yeah, let's put this one together. Because it's apple-shaped, I had to make the top and the bottom claims a bit bigger than the middle one. For the paper inside, you cut it to size yourself. Then connect the pages using the clips, and that's it. Now, if you want the best printing results, let's quickly talk about the setup. If you are using Bamboo Studio, just download it from Makerwood and open it there. All the settings are already dialed in. Match your filament, hit print, done. You might be wondering one thing though. Why print it at an angle? Wouldn't printing it flat save time and filament? Well, the cover itself isn't perfectly flat on purpose. I wanted to keep a bit of that handmade feel. If you print it flat, you'll get contour lines on the top surface. And honestly, if you like that look, that's totally valid too. It can be a nice artistic effect. Same idea for the leaf. If you want to dive deeper into improving print quality, I talked about this in detail in my previous video, including why I chose this print orientation. One more thing, filament choice. For the clips, I really recommend PETG. It's more flexible than PLA and works much better here. For everything else, regular PLA or Silk or PETG work great. Alright, so create your first piece in this Apple notebook. I'll keep sharing my designs, some amazing models from other genius creators, and a few printing tips along the way. Yeah, it might not be a super niche channel, but honestly, isn't that what makes us human?